you ever wondered how a tiny sensor can tell the temperature, even though it has no display, no buttons, and no fancy electronics? That's exactly what we're building today in day 8 of our 37 Sensors Challenge. We'll use the KY0113 analog temperature sensor with Arduino UNO and print the live temperature directly on the serial monitor.
For this project, we need an Arduino UNO, a KY013 temperature sensor, a few jumper wires, and a USB power cable. Now, let's connect it.
Connect the S pin of the KY013 module to analog pin A0, the middle pin to 5V, and the negative pin to GND. Now comes the interesting part. When temperature changes, the resistance of the thermistor inside the sensor changes. Arduino reads this analog voltage from pin A0. In the code, we first use analog read A0 to capture the sensor value. Then we calculate the thermistor resistance and apply the Steinhardt-Hart equation, a mathematical formula that converts resistance into temperature in degrees Celsius. Finally, we print the result using serial.print every 1 second.
After writing the code, select the Arduino UNO board, choose the correct COM port, compile the sketch, and upload it. Now open the serial monitor. And there it is. Temperature, 28.4 degrees Celsius temperature, 28.6 degrees Celsius temperature, 29.1 degrees Celsius. Touch the sensor with your fingers, and the temperature reading starts rising in real time. Remove your hand, and it gradually drops. No screen on the sensor.
No magic.
Just physics, mathematics, and Arduino working together. Thanks for watching. Follow Circuit EdTech for day 9 of the 37 Sensors Challenge, where we continue exploring practical Arduino and IoT projects step by step.